Hello, if you've been wondering whether you can download apps and games on your T900 Ultra smartwatch like the YouTube app, TikTok app, the Google Play Store app, or even games like the Subway Surf racing games on your T900 Ultra smartwatch, then take a look. Now, on the T900 Ultra smartwatch apps menu, you're going to find out that we have lots of applications over here that are actually pre-installed into the T900 Ultra smartwatch, but you're going to notice that there is actually no Google Play Store or any app store for you to be able to download apps and games into your T900 Ultra smartwatch. And also on the T900 Ultra smartwatch app, if you check on the menu we have over here and even come over to the settings tab over here, you're going to find out that there is actually no app store or Google Play Store or even an apps menu for you to be able to install or download more apps into your T900 Ultra smartwatch. Basically, the apps you have on the T900 Ultra smartwatch are pre-installed, and by default, these are the only apps you have access to on the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Keep in mind that depending on the model of T900 Ultra smartwatch you have, you might be able to find the games section. Like over here, I have the games section, and once you open it up, you will be able to find certain games on your T900 Ultra smartwatch. In my case, it is actually the F1 racing game, but in some T900 Ultra smartwatch, you may not even get this game on your T900 Ultra smartwatch. Above all, keep in mind that you cannot download and install more games and apps into the T900 Ultra smartwatch except for the games and apps that are actually pre-installed into the smartwatch. Lastly, if you have been seeing any video showing you how to download and install apps on your T900 Ultra smartwatch, it is most likely a lie, or sometimes they might actually be using Android smartwatches that actually do have the Google Play Store to show you those tutorials. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.